Hi everyone, I played this etude at 160 metronome setting because I didn't feel like this needs to be any faster, and I wasn't trying to set a record of speed record or anything like that. So I was just trying to learn the notes, enjoy the legato motion, and understand how to shift and stay relaxed with the left hand so that the left hand never gets too cringed or too tight. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I ask you to visit my website where you can find more information about the lessons I teach online. Thanks for watching.